how to remove the background from an image in your Canva video or photo editor on your device on your browser. You can do it on the application also. For this, I'm logging into my Canva on my browser right now, and here I can select the format that which I want to create. You should click on the create a design and select here the size for which you want to really create it. I want to create a logo, so let me just click the logo section and I will tell you how you can remove the background from this of any image you wanted. Let me just select one of the logo, or I will upload one of the picture from this menu. Click on the up to upload files, select the image you want to select and click on this. If I want to remove the background, how I can do it easily? So let me just set it up all this thing here. Now whenever you will click on edit image option, you can see there is a feature called BG remover in front of you. You should click this and you can click on the upgrade section, because this is available only on the prime or the paid account of Canva. If you have a premium account, you can use it. If you have a mod account, you can also use it. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates like this.